Hey guys! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about what is building information modeling and how it is changing the construction industry. So move toward my today's topic. BIM, which stands for Building Information Modeling, is a revolutionary technology and process in the construction industry. It involves creating and managing digital representations of a building's physical and functional characteristics. BIM goes beyond traditional 2D drawings by incorporating 3D models and a wealth of information about the building's components, materials, and systems. Here's a detailed explanation of what BIM is and how it is changing the construction industry. Building Information Modeling, BIM. BIM is a collaborative process that enables stakeholders in the construction industry, including architects, engineers, contractors, and owners, to work together on a shared digital platform. Instead of using separate sets of drawings and documents, BIM brings all project data into a centralized information model. Digital 3D models. BIM utilizes digital 3D models to represent the physical elements of a building, including walls, doors, windows, structural components, and mechanical systems. These models are rich in information, allowing for detailed specifications and attributes to be assigned to each element. Information-rich environment. BIM incorporates data beyond geometric representations, including cost information, scheduling details, material properties, and performance data. This information-rich environment enables stakeholders to make more informed decisions throughout the project lifecycle. Collaboration and coordination. BIM fosters collaboration and coordination among different disciplines involved in the construction process. Architects, engineers, and contractors can work concurrently on the same model, reducing conflicts and improving communication. Clash detection and resolution. BIM allows for clash detection, where potential conflicts between various building systems are identified in the digital model. Early clash detection helps avoid costly rework during construction. Cost estimation and analysis. BIM facilitates accurate cost estimation by integrating cost data directly into the model. It enables stakeholders to assess the cost impact of design changes and make more informed decisions about project budgets. Time and resource management. BIM aids in project scheduling and resource allocation, enabling better time management and improved project delivery timelines. Sustainable design and energy efficiency. BIM supports sustainable design practices by analyzing building performance and energy efficiency during the design phase. It helps identify opportunities to optimize energy consumption and reduce environmental impact. Facility management and maintenance. BIM's data-rich models provide valuable information for facility management and maintenance after construction. Building owners can access comprehensive data on equipment, materials, and maintenance schedules, streamlining facility operations. Overall, BIM is transforming the construction industry by improving collaboration, reducing errors and rework, enhancing project efficiency, and providing a more holistic approach to building design, construction, and management. As technology continues to advance, BIM will likely play an increasingly crucial role in shaping the future of construction projects worldwide. If this video is helpful for you, then like and share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.